Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is entitled "Driver Goes Insane When Police Discover Her Secret."
25th, 2026. Officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle for speeding.
What kind of snow tires are those?
Hello?
Hello, let's roll down the window.
What's that, what?
Roll down the window.
It is down.
No, it ain't.
Yes, it is. What you want? What's the problem?
Let's see your ID, you're speeding.
I wasn't speeding.
Yes, you are on Collinsville. It's not 43 miles per hour.
I was not speeding.
Yes, you were. I was right behind you.
I was not speeding.
Yes, you were.
No, I wasn't. I don't have my ID on me. I can give you my name.
Let's see some ID and your insurance.
I got insurance.
So what's that in your hand?
This is my paper.
All right, let's see your paper.
Huh?
Let's see your paper then.
I can give you my name and you can write my...
I don't know who you are. Let's look at your paper. Where's your driver's license?
My driver's license. I don't know my driver's license number.
Where is your driver's license?
It's in my...
Why are you not rolling down your window?
No, because my lawyer told me this is enough for you.
Do you have your insurance?
I'm with Branch.
Do you have your
Her TikTok lawyer told her that.
insurance? I don't care who you're with.
It's in my, I have insurance.
Then I need to see it.
I have insurance.
I'm not taking your word on it, just like I'm not taking your word that you're done.
I am. Just run it.
Show me your ID then.
I will get. I get it. Go ahead and run it. I give it to you.
Then let's see it.
I give it to you. Go ahead on and run it. I don't have no. I don't have no warrants or nothing.
You're not rolling down the window, so I don't know what's up with you. So I can see you.
Let me find my.
So I can see you.
Let me find it. I give it to you.
You don't want to roll down the window.
I was not speeding.
Yeah, you were.
No, I was not. No, I was not. I was not speeding.
Let's find that ID then, Donna.
My thing of it is you don't. My lawyer say I don't.
I don't care what your lawyer says.
Look, I'm giving you my name.
I don't care. I need more than your name. I need your driver's license.
When you run my number, it's gonna say my driver's license.
Okay, I'm asking you if you have your card with you. That's what I asked.
See, having the window cracked is fine, but this is just gonna escalate it. Honestly, it's gonna start to escalate into get out the car, especially if you got tinted windows or something like that and they can't see in the car. It's just gonna cause more problems, man. Because once they tell you to get out the car, you gotta get out the car. So, okay, play the games if you want to. All right.
We'll just see what she took. There's a lot of loose merchandise throughout the vehicle.
Why is all this stuff in the back not bagged up? This stuff you just got from Walmart. We're gonna determine if you're good or not.
Currently detained, ma'am. Yes, you are. You're not leaving. Turn the vehicle off.
My paper.
If you do not turn the vehicle off, I will bust this window out.
You ain't gonna bust nothing.
Turn the vehicle off.
You're not gonna bust nothing. You're not gonna bust nothing.
You ain't leaving.
Yes, I am.
You want to bet?
Yes, I am.
Try to drive off. See what happens. You are. I don't need one. You are currently detained, and that's called obstruction.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Where'd you go to law school at?
No, I'm not.
Where'd you go to law school at?
No, where you go to law school at?
Me? SLU?
No, I don't care where you went.
Okay then.
You're not finna detain me.
You are detained. You are not free to leave.
No.
Yes, yes, yes.
That's a lie.
That is not a lie.
Yeah.
You're not free to leave. You're not getting anything. You are detained.
Give me my paper.
You are detained.
No, I'm not. No, I'm
You are
not.
not free to go.
Yes, I am.
You are not.
Yes, I am.
You are not.
Yes, I am. You ain't got no search warrant.
I don't need a search warrant.
Yes, you do.
That's false.
Yes, you do.
Nope.
I don't want to hear that.
I don't want to hear what you got to say. You're going to sit here and you're going to wait.
You don't know who's in the court with me. down on this.
Yeah, cameras are going to speak truth. It's fine.
You said you pulled me up for speeding. I was not speeding.
Okay, you're still detained. You are not free to leave.
Huh? Shouldn't have anyone with her. Quit putting that light out in my fucking face. Shit. Get away from my car.
I don't know what makes you think you're calling the shots here, but you're not.
Now, you ain't either.
Oh, I'm still standing here.
I don't give a
My light hasn't moved.
I don't care.
Good, me either.
I don't care. Don't mean shit to me.
Clearly.
I gotta say.
You're a Red Langford fan?
And it's a legal stop.
Nope.
Yes, it was. You said that I was speeding. I wasn't speeding.
I didn't say anything about what you were doing.
He said I was speeding. I wasn't speeding.
Yeah, he's probably right.
No. But like I say, you all had that warrant on me. Y'all been harassing me, harassing my car.
It's not harassment because you don't like it.
Damn lie.
It's not harassment because you don't like it.
You're a lie.
I didn't lie about anything. Apparently, it was a whole car push out. Huh? It was a whole car push out. It said all the merchandise that was stolen on the back passenger side of her vehicle. Okay. And they said Brad's getting ready to send me a photo. AP's not on right now. Loss prevention's not on, but manager was the one that reviewed the camera, and they tried to stop her, and she just kept pushing past. So he's sending me a photo now because he's reviewing the camera. And we'll see if she's willing to get out or if we're going to have to get her out.
What am I detained for?
Okay, ma'am. So you were just identified as by Walmart management that you committed a retail theft.
I did not do that. I did not.
Okay.
I didn't commit no retail.
Okay. Well, there's 6 witnesses that say otherwise.
Okay. Well,
okay.
Maybe, but I had somebody else with me.
Okay. The photo I just received was you pushing a cart by yourself.
No.
With a load full of merchandise, which is currently sitting in your back seat. So you have here's what's known as an ultimatum. Okay. We need you to step out of the vehicle. Okay. Or we have to get you out of the vehicle.
No, he say that 6 witnesses.
It's going down. Told you. It's going to escalate. You getting out that vehicle.
Verified me.
So let's make this easy.
No. So what are you talking about doing?
So currently you need to exit the vehicle.
Exit the vehicle for what?
Because we're going to place you under arrest.
Huh?
We're going to place you under arrest for retail theft. You need to get off the phone. You're here talking to me.
What'd you say?
Hang up the phone.
Okay.
Step out of the vehicle. Or you're going to be hit with another charge of obstruction.
I'm up here.
You got about 10 seconds before I open the door.
Right here.
What's her name?
Okay.
Donna.
Okay.
Donna?
So you're on your way?
It doesn't matter who's on their way. They're going to get charges. Open the door. Open the door before I open it. Open the door.
On my damn shit like that. Don't do that.
Go ahead and step out.
Step out.
You wait a minute.
Step out.
You don't call the shot here. Step out of the fucking car.
Either. And you said that I was speeding. I wasn't speeding.
It doesn't matter.
You were.
Yes, it does.
Come on.
You also committed a retail theft.
I didn't commit that. Let me get my stuff.
You got about 2 seconds before I remove you.
Move.
Step out.
I can get out. Move.
You do not call the shots here.
Move. Let me get. Go ahead, because you don't care.
All right, right here.
Don't pull me.
Get out.
Don't pull me.
Get out.
Pull me.
Get out of the fucking car.
Get out. Don't pull me. Don't pull me. Don't pull me.
Get out of the fucking car.
Don't pull me. Don't pull me.
It's called a
Yo, what's your name? Yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
You are pulling me. No, let me get my stuff.
No, you don't call the fucking shots.
Don't pull. Stop it. You better stop pulling my arm like that, man.
Then listen.
Stop pulling my arm.
Listen.
No, ain't no listen. You don't do me like that. Don't do me like that.
Don't resist.
How about that?
Don't do me like that.
How about don't resist?
I got you. And you probably getting above my head. Okay. Got you. For real.
That's fine.
Got you.
Officer Carter, badge number 130.
Yeah, okay. Got you.
Yeah.
Got you.
She's in custody.
Stand up.
Go ahead and walk.
Stand up.
Let
Stand up so I can make sure these cuffs don't tighten up on you, all right?
Let me get my.
We'll get it.
My
What you
purse.
need? Just tell us what you need.
I need my purse.
We'll get
We're
it.
gonna grab
I want my
Do you want your
purse.
hat?
Yes, I do. And get my key.
You want your phone?
We'll get all that.
Yeah.
Okay, come on back with me. We're gonna bring it. But you're not gonna get it.
My son gonna come get my
That's
car.
fine. He ain't coming to get your car.
What's your name?
We're towing it.
Towing my car. Where?
He was using the commission of a crime. He was using the commission of a
I
crime. Walk.
wouldn't know. No,
Walk.
it was not. Give me
Walk.
no. Give me my other purse, man.
We'll get it. Go.
Then you grab it from the car.
Well, you act like a criminal, you're gonna get treated like one.
Maybe get your butt in there.
You talking?
Go.
Sit your butt in there.
Shit, you better watch what you say.
Good. We don't either. This car's full of shit.
I know. She said, if you want it, we can
I'm a photograph.
try to go through it now. She said then she can total it up tonight if we have the actual property of what she took, or if we want to hang on to it
Let me
now.
take photos for you.
Yeah. What about like all the
In the bag.
What about these dog
And
treats?
like that brown bag. Yeah, those are our dog treats. We got that with the detergent.
Oh, yeah.
Did you see glasses?
Like this drinking
Damn,
glass
she
set?
took the whole container off the shelf.
I didn't see what was under the stuff, but it was piled up. So I would have to keep rewinding to see if the glass is wrong too.
Alright, I'm gonna get stuck.
She called her son. He might be on his way up here, too. Well, there's 4 big candles that are $25 a piece. Well, she's also a thief and a liar, so.
What's that tag say on it? On the other side. No, it's tag. Right here.
No, that comes from Walmart. That's my.
It says ship to Walmart.
No, that's my definitely for sure.
No, I know. It says to Walmart.
I'm like, no, that's definitely. And they'll tell you when it's been shipped.
It does?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh! There goes the donuts and the crab legs.
The woman was charged with felony retail theft of over $1,000, obstructing identification, and resisting arrest.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, look, y'all been seeing this? Y'all see that middle one? The Dwight Howard and wife, Messi, whatever. Y'all seen that? I don't know if y'all into basketball or not, whatever. But yeah, they got married and they was only together for a little while or whatever. And Dwight Howard's wife is claiming Dwight Howard is on that Snow White. And she put the thing on the camera and everything. I was, oh man, yo, oh man, there's so much crime going on, like crime and just arguments. And when you really sit back and think, you're like, there's so much negativity in the world. There's so much negativity in the world. Like, think about this. This channel has over 1,600 videos on it. 98% of them are surrounded by negativity. Just think about that. That's insane. People getting split up, married, divorced, this and that. For in sickness and for health. And yeah. That's soon as you don't feel like the relationship is right, I'm out of there, man. Sickness and health, my ass, I'm gone. You know, it's just Yeah, this lady is but back to this story, I guess. You know, this lady's just nuts. You know, she got caught out there. I knew eventually she getting out that car. That's a fact. You want to play them games? Okay. Play them games. They gonna get you out that car one way or another, man. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right, and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.